Okay, I got a service call coming out to this unit. I pulled the disconnect already. What you hear that noise is the contactor pulled in. What I see that is it has a hard start on it already. It's called a hard start. When I got here, the fan wasn't spinning, the compressor wasn't on, so nothing was actually on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test to see why it's not coming on. I have my ideas, but we're gonna go ahead and put the contactor back in. Get it to stay. I'll put this contactor in. First thing we do is get the meter out. And we check for high voltage. First thing we do is check for high voltage. So I know the low voltage is there. We want to check the high. Come on, get in there. Alright, put it on volts. Take these off. So what we want to see coming in is if I can hold this camera and do it at the same time. We want to see 240 coming in. Let me see if this works. See if that works. 240 coming in. Which nothing there. So my meter's working. 240 going out. Nothing there. 240 in. Nothing. So from this point, we know it's a power source. It could be a power problem. We have to find our power source to see why there's not 240 coming out of here. Alright, hold for the take two.